everyone, hello, namaste, welcome and welcome back to Get Peppy with me. तो कैसे हो आप सब? वीडियो का टाइटल देखकर आप समझ गए होंगे कि आई एम एट CMR द लेगेसी ऑफ ज्वेलरी लोकेटेड हियर एट AS Rao Nagar and today we are going to see some beautiful diamond jewelry, glimmery, shiny प्योर 18 कैरेट गोल्ड में VVSCF क्लैरिटी के सारे डायमंड के ज्वेलरी है लाइक शॉर्ट नेकलेसेस, लॉन्ग रानी हारम्स, ऑल्सो 5-in-1 pieces and bracelets which are so very beautiful which I'm going to show you in today's video. They are bridal like lightweight to heavy party wear collection I have bought for you guys in today's video. So these are just selected pieces which I really liked at the store. Otherwise in diamond also we have a huge variety like diamond finger rings, diamond mang tika, diamond bangles, diamond kada bangles, huge collection is available. So do let me know after watching today's video what widget you want to see next in the diamond range collection of CMR the legacy of jewelry located here at AS Rao Nagar. Starting with the first piece is a really very lightweight short necklace. This is like a chain short necklace in diamond in 18 karat gold. Like you can see it's so very beautiful and center piece is in teardrop pattern. Diamonds are of VVSCF clarity and look at the shine and the finish of diamonds here. Wow, they're so superior. Let me show you the design from front. Just look at the teardrop pattern, the floral pattern and also the swirl pattern till top, and it's a chain pattern. You can see the tag of it. This is a net weight 14.994. You can see the diamond carat weight which is 1.18 carat approximately, and you will get IGI certificate for all the diamond jewelry here. So I have got you the estimation of the most lightest weight short necklace, chain short necklace here at the store. So this is the price which is 2,20,239 rupees.
More collections.
And you'll have a lot of more pieces in this range available at the store. This is another chain short necklace. Like look at this, it's so very beautiful in chain pattern. It has all diamonds. Diamonds are of VVSCF clarity. You will get IGI certificate in it and it's an 18 karat gold. So let me show you the finish and the workmanship of it from front. Because it's diamond, तो shine तो देखना बनता है. कैसा shine है देख लीजिए diamonds का. यहाँ पर these are all real naturals. Wow, look at the design also, it's looking so beautiful to see. And I love diamonds, like you guys know. You can see this is the tag of it, and you can see the net weight 14.898 grams and diamonds weight is 1.31 carat approximately. So just look at it. You can make the calculations as of today's gold rate. The collection is starting from 2 lakh rupees onwards. This is a U-shaped short necklace. Look at it, it's so broad. It's a broad short necklace which has so many color stones in it. These color stones are so very shiny and so vibrant if you guys are seeing. This pendant is also so very beautiful. If you want, you can even customize it, detach it and wear it like a tika, mang tika. You can see this pearl detailing at the bottom, and on the top you can see dual tone detailing. You can actually adjust the length of it. अगर आप चाहे तो neck के करीब पहन सकते हो या फिर दूर भी पहन सकते हो. It will look very nice. Let me show you the finish and the craftsmanship and the shine of it from front. Because it's diamond, देखिए कैसा shine हो रहा है. Diamonds are of VVSCF clarity and you can see the finish and the shine of the stones also. Till top it's the same design. And let me show you the tag of it. It's all handwork again. This is the tag of it. And this is the net weight of it, which is 128.112 gram. Diamond carat weight also you can see, which is 11.709 carat approximately. You will get IGI certificate for all the diamond jewelry here. And this is the estimation of this U-shaped broad short necklace. Price of this is 19,71,571 rupees approximately, and it's all the other details. This is another U-shaped short necklace. If you guys are seeing, it has diamonds of VVSCF clarity and you can see broad chain towards the top. 18 karat yellow gold is used in it, and you can see all pearl detailing here at the bottom. And the stones that you're seeing here, teardrop stones, it's actually changeable. You can keep any color stone of your choice also. You will get IGI certificate for all the diamond jewelry here at the store. So let me show you the finish and the shine. Actually, this piece that you're seeing in the center, this is detachable. You can actually wear this like a mang tika. You'll have this kind of a detachable screw. You can remove it and wear it like a mang tika on your forehead. और आप इसे पेंडेंट की तरह भी पहन सकते हो, चेन में लगा के, पर्ल चेन में या फिर स्लीक चेन में, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. एंड दिस इज़ अ यू शेप नेकलेस. बहुत अच्छा यूनिक डिज़ाइन है इसका भी, लाइट वेट है. इसका टैग आप देख लीजिए स्क्रीन पर, ज़्यादा हैवी भी नहीं है डिज़ाइन इसका, पहनने पर भी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगेगा, देख लीजिए. And the net weight of this is 65.825 grams. Diamond weight is coming close to 8.69 carats. This is another bridal broad short necklace. Again, the broadness of it is not too broad, it's medium broad if you guys are seeing. And these color stones are changeable. These are diamonds of VVS-CF clarity, and these diamonds you will get IGI certificate. These are real natural diamonds. These are all pearls here, if you guys are seeing, and on top you have this kind of a broad chain. So if I have to show you the finish and the workmanship, this is how it looks like. Look at the shine of these diamonds, because they are real natural diamonds. This pendant is again detachable. You can wear it like a pendant. It will look very nice on your sleek chains, or you can wear it on your pearl chains also. Let me show you the tag of it. Net weight of this piece is 126.413 gram. Diamond weight is coming close to 13.86 carat approximately. This is a 5-in-1 long Maharani diamond harem if you guys are seeing. Look at this. At the bottom you can see such big sizes of green color stones and floral chain detailing, and this kind of a different geometric pattern, flower detailing, and this kind of a different geometric pattern. And on sides you can see this kind of cluster of diamonds. Diamonds are of VVS-CF clarity again. It's so very beautiful to see this kind of a design. The beauty of this piece is दोस्तों है कि अलग अलग आप पीस पहन सकते हो. जैसे ये है, ये पीस को आप डिटैच कर सकते हो. ये लाइन जो है इसे आप डिटैच करके ये एक लाइन को एक नेकलेस की तरह आप पहन सकते हो. एंड साइड्स में आप थ्रेड लगा सकते हो, एंड यू कैन इजीली वेयर दिस लाइक अ ब्यूटीफुल नेकलेस. और अगर आप चाहें तो ये वाला लाइन को भी आप डिटैच कर सकते हो, और जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बताया है वैसे आप इसे एक 3/4 हारम या फिर 3/4 चेन की तरह पहन सकते हो. दिस इज़ लाइक अ लॉन्ग चेन. ये एक लॉन्ग डायमंड चेन की तरह आप पहन सकते हो. दिस इज़ लाइक अ फ्लोरल बिग यू शेप डायमंड चेन की तरह आप पहन सकते हो. दिस इज़ लाइक अ ग्रीन स्टोन long harem kind of a U-shaped chain की तरह पहन सकते हो. So 5 times you can wear it with 5 different look, and 6th look is with this kind of a chain, this layer. This is like the 5th layer. अगर आप देख रहे हो तो पूरा look आपको अभी समझ में आएगा. So coming to the product specifications of this piece, net weight of this piece is coming close to 227.060 grams. Diamond weight is coming close to 17.43 carat, and this is a tag of it. Kind of diamond bracelets are also available. I know you guys absolutely love tennis bracelets, इसीलिए मैंने इस तरीके का tennis bracelet आप लोगों के लिए ऐड किया है आज के हमारे वीडियो में, made of diamonds. These diamonds are VVS-EF clarity diamonds. Look at them, they are so very beautiful and shiny. I totally love this kind of bracelets क्योंकि ऑफिस लुक्स में, फॉर्मल लुक्स में, सलवार कमीज़ में, गाउन्स में, घाघरा में, किसी में भी परफेक्टली मैच हो जाते हैं ऐसे पीसेस. तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ इसका टैग. ये देखिए इसका टैग. दिस इज़ द नेट वेट विच इज़ 9.998 ग्राम. डायमंड वेट इज़ 1.21 कैरेट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, एंड इसका क्लोजर इस तरीके का है. Kind of unisex bracelets are also available for both men and women, like chunky and this kind of broad bracelet from 10 to 15 grams onwards. This is a very feminine bracelet, like you can see leaf है इसमें, and you can see rose gold finish in it in 18 karat gold. It's really very shiny and also beautiful to see. जैसे आप देख रहे हो मेरे रिंग का एंड ये ब्रेसलेट का फिनिश एकदम सेम है. मुझे इस तरीके के डायमंड की ज्वेलरी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, एंड आई टोटली लव टू वेयर डायमंड ज्वेलरी एनी टाइम. सो आई एम एक्चुअली शोइंग यू दीज आर नेचुरल रियल डायमंड्स. दिस इज़ द टैग ऑफ इट. Look at the tag of it, it's so beautiful. And net weight is 7.362 grams. Diamond weight is 0.84 carat. Very lightweight in diamonds also, very less carat weight. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. तो देखा ना कितना amazing diamond bridal collection था, lightweight to heavy party wear. I have also tried to cover some daily wear bracelet, tennis bracelet, chain bracelet, all of that in today's video. So if you liked it, please come to the store and explore more varieties available only here at this store. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.